my backyard was always a wet, damp area, so the grass, even when it was green, was muddy underneath. So it was just with dogs and people back here, it just was always something we had to maintain and keep the house clean. And I just think because our backyard's very shaded and it's always cool and it never really gets the sun except first thing in the morning, but for a very short period of time, so it's just always shaded. Goat turf was the first shot. It was recommended to me by my landscaper. My communication with the goat turf team from Tyler on down was amazing. The workers that were here were all nice and looked like they were just doing their job. And Tyler was always really good at getting back to me with silly questions or any kind of questions I had. But it was good, great communication. Very happy with it. I'm looking forward to showing it off to everybody, and my neighbors are already asking, who's doing it. And I think my dogs are very happy. I can already tell they're playing on it. And if they're happy, I'm happy. We're all happy to have a backyard back, especially with nice grass like this.